welcome back to another video, guys. Now today, most of you may not know this is called bitter melon. I'm going to be making some bitter melon juice, also known as marmadica. It stems from the Cersei vine. Now this is how it look, you know, so I'm gonna eat this off camera. You know, it's good for diabetes if you want to flush your blood, or it's good for also if you have constipation or cold or a buildup of mucus. This is what is going to help with that. Alright, as a child, my grandmother used to give me a lot of Cersei tea. I mean, I tell you guys, it's bitter subtle. But anyways, to balance out the flavor of this, the bitter melon, I'm going to be using some cucumber as well, right? Cucumber is full of a lot of liquid. It helps for you to go to the bathroom, and especially like if you're pregnant. I'm not say country people, but what should I say? People back in the days would say cucumber is good for your baby's skin. So if you drink a lot of cucumber juice or eat cucumber, your baby will born with good, nice, clean skin. Alright, so let us get started. Now, maybe put on this later, guys. I'm gonna go eat it. Alright, so to get started, we always wash our fruits and vegetables first, guys. Alright, so we're going to open it. And this is how it look on the inside. We're not going to eat the seeds, but I will eat the seeds that are over there, the red one. Alright, we're going to remove the seed from the plant, or from the fruit, I should say. So we do this with all of them, remove the seed, because we're going to extract the nutrients from the outer part, alright? And this was, I bought this at my local market. If you're in, some people cook with this, you know, cook stew, and a lot of Indians use it in their food, and Chinese. Yes, man, it's good for those reasons as well. So we're just gonna remove all of this because we don't want all of this in there. Comment below, man, what you use bitter melon to do. Or if you remember Cersei tea. Most Caribbean people should know Cersei tea, right? I know they even have it now in a bag, but I've never tried the one in the tea bag. I just always like find some bush and pull it off or something, because it's a vine and it run wild. Alright, so around this amount is good for me, because I want some to save back for the next time when I'm juicing it. And the cucumber, you know, so you wash your cucumber to one thing and cut it. See how nice that look, man. I know fruits. So, hear my son saying him love cucumber. Alright, so alright guys, you're going to juice it now. This bitter melon drinks is a nice, refreshing detox drink, guys. If you're from the Caribbean, give this video a thumbs up. I encourage you to make this drink on your list when you're going to go to the market next and purchase some. Enjoy it. Tag me. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys. Bye.